Hello guys. So we finished the first chapter where we talked about Flux, and now, diving even deeper into more architectural and interior design workflows that would save us a lot of time. So we're going to talk about ChatGPT now, and most of us knows ChatGPT for writing emails, fixing context, applying for a job. But now with the latest updates 4.0, we've got, changes on a whole different level. It can save us thousands of hours. So let's jump into the first application of this, and we're going to do CAD to rendering. So basically what we will learn is how to have two plans, convert them into a 3D realistic rendering, such as this one. Who said that one day we will be able to achieve this from ChatGPT and even have an aerial rendering of it and can enhance it later on? So what we will do is that in ChatGPT, what I recommend you guys is to buy the Plus, because if you don't buy the Plus, then you'll be able to generate one image per day, which will take you months to be able to finish a project. So rather, when we have the Plus, we have the priority, and it's much quicker and it's infinite amount of edits and renderings. So that's number one. Number two, focus on this point, guys. Please, whenever you want to achieve, for example, things that are relevant to the same project, then we do it in a chat. If we want to achieve a new result or a new project, we do it in a different chat, because then ChatGPT will remember the old chat and start combining two chats together. So each project, open it on a new chat on ChatGPT so that you guys don't mix results with older projects. So I'll take these two images, drag and drop here, and I'll copy and paste this prompt, which states make an editorial photographic ultra-realistic 3D rendering for this plan and elevation. Note that this is in Hagia Sophia Mosque in Istanbul, Turkey. So I've also gave ChatGPT the landmark that I'm trying to render and where is it located. So it will now combine real-world data with plans that I have and try to mix them together. So if I know the project, it's even better. And now I do enter. So I wait for ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT will give me, and now it's generating the images. Usually ChatGPT takes more time than Kriya, but if I have fast internet and I've got Plus, then there should be no worries, achieving a much quicker result. So it's going to take a bit of time. So I'm pausing the video for you guys to not wait so long rather than jump to the final result directly. And voila, we've got our image and now we can download it and check how great it is. I mean, come on guys, this is amazing. This is like a high fidelity rendering that if we need to do this as a 3D model and render, it's going to take us a lot of time. And even look at the variation of materials. And to achieve them to make him look this realistic, this is brilliant and amazing. Okay, great. So now we will ask it to give us an aerial view of this. So I'll jump back here and give me a bird's eye. Enhance, give me a bird's eye. So, okay, give me a bird's eye. No need to tell it for this because it's already open in one singular chat and we've done one prompt for the same building. So no need to, even highlight more things unless I want to, for example, tell it to show me the garden or the existing context of this building or, make it look like a building in the middle of the desert, stuff like this. Then I can prompt even more. But if I want just the perspective of this, and then I can just give me a bird's eye or give me an aerial view of this rendering. And there you guys go. We've got the bird's eye just with a click of a button for the same structure, for the same everything. So this is really powerful whenever I've got, I've finished my planning, I've finished the somehow architectural drawings, but I want a 3D rendering. So, this is amazing for the quick result that it gets us, guys. Usually the quickest result was back then was maybe Lumion, but the result looked really horrible at first. because you need to, if you want to get like a really good result from Lumion, Inkscape, these real-time rendering softwares, then you have to put the same amount of work, the one that you do on 3ds Max and any other, Unreal complex softwares, but really high fidelity softwares. So now it's a game changer. Now, if the client is coming to our company and we need to show him something ASAP, then somebody can go inside the laptop and just generate renderings. This is revolutionary, guys. I hope you guys benefit from this one, and I'm really excited to share with you the rest of what we can do.